Hello and welcome back to English Corner. I'm James, and today we are looking at a powerful and inspiring word, resilient. Being resilient means you have the ability to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. It's all about toughness and the capacity to bounce back after a setback. For example, despite the market crash, the local economy proved to be incredibly resilient. It didn't just survive, it adapted and recovered. We also use it for people. She is a resilient person who always bounces back from setbacks with a smile. It's that inner strength that keeps you going. Even in nature, native plants are often more resilient to local pests and weather extremes. They are built to thrive in their specific environment. You'll often hear this word in phrases like a resilient spirit, a resilient economy, or when talking about a resilient material that can take a lot of pressure. If you're looking for other ways to say it, try words like tough, strong, flexible, or hardy. Each one highlights a different aspect of being resilient. Thanks for watching. I hope you feel resilient today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell for more tips and lessons from English Corner. See you next time.